Guys, good morning. This is Captain A3 with a brand new aircraft review. Right now, you are staring at Thomas Cook Airbus A321. And the scale 113 by Skymarks. This is a low-cost airliner based in England. They have a number of destinations in England and in Europe as well. From Birmingham, England, Manchester, Dublin, London, Madrid, Barcelona, and Lisbon, and to the Canary Islands, Vienna, Austria, Warsaw, Poland, Paris, Amsterdam, and Luxembourg, Belgium. Alright, I'm going to give you a tour of the A321, starting first with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. The L1 door, the thomascook.com, where you would be able to book a flight with Thomas Cook, the two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings, and nice view from the front of the aircraft, and www.thomascook.com, where you would be able to book a flight with them if you live in the United Kingdom. Thomas Cook. On the tail, I'm going to bring it to the APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tail planes right there. I'm going to bring it around to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. Thomas Cook. www.thomascook.com, the registration of this aircraft. thomascook.com, come up along the wings. There you see the thomascook.com on the fuselage. On the starboard side, the first galley, and up towards the cockpit, and that's it. Thomas Cook they have another aircraft in their fleet. They have the 767 and the 757, along with the Airbus A321. Today, Thomas Cook is ranked 5th of some of the independent air carriers based in England, besides Air 2000 and the now discontinued BMI, British Midlands Airways, which now belongs to British Airways. And that's it. And sorry about that. And Thomson Airways as well, of the independent air carriers. So if you live in England and if you're planning on booking a trip with Thomas Cook, check them out on their official website, I got this aircraft right here in 2000. I got this aircraft in 2014 from the airplane shop in Fairfield, New Jersey. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video, and like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain A3E, signing off for now.